Hi, Rocket. What are you doing? Oh, are you telling me all about it? Oh, are you so happy? Riker, you're almost 6 months old. Do you feel so grown up? Oh, careful. Are you, oh. Whoa. Oh, okay. I'll come help you. Are you ready to, up? Are we feeling a little bipolar? Okay, I'm coming to help you.